After more than a year of working from home and managing online meetings while juggling family time, many employees are ready to start a new career. In fact, in a survey done by Mascot and Hedge, it was revealed that 1 in 4 employees are thinking about a career change. Now, making a career transition is always scary. But the good thing is that the demand for talent is and will always be high. If you want to start a new career but don't have experience in that particular field, it can be done. You just need focus, drive, preparation, and motivation. Here in this video, I suggest you to focus on a few things which can help you make a smooth and successful transition. First, research. It's a big mistake to change professions without doing your research first. One approach is to look for an inexpensive introductory and online course. Visit our e-learning page also to view the latest courses for business and career professionals offered by Mascot and Hedge. Now, if you decide to pursue it further, then you can look into more extended programs. Join social media groups that have a specific professional focus. First, introduce yourself and then observe for a while. When you are ready, start contributing and look for people you can approach for informational interviews. You can also learn a lot by reading industry-specific books and blogs, as well as listening to podcasts related to your new career. Of course, there is no substitute for talking to people in the field. So network on LinkedIn and speak to a number of people. That will give you a good perspective and allow you to notice consistent trends in their answers. Second, story. A growing number of companies and organizations today recognize that resumes don't accurately reflect the applicant's personality. That's why more story-based approaches are now emerging. In order to explain to potential employers why you are pursuing a different direction, create a story that illustrates your desire to transition to a new career. When crafting this narrative, emphasize your passion for the job and your willingness to take risks to explore the new path. You should also find ways to highlight your transferable skills. Although some of your past experience may not be industry specific, it provides a solid foundation for your new career. Also, include the reasons for making this change and how you can contribute to the organization's needs despite not having the industry specific experience. Third, experiment. Transitioning fields is a commitment, so you want to make sure to test drive your new career before you take that leap. One great way is to volunteer or shadow someone. Take a vacation or sick day and follow someone around to get a feel for the day-to-day activities. If your field is a creative one, say for example like painting or writing, you might consider taking a few days off to attend a seminar or a workshop. Depending upon the career, freelancing or consulting is another option. It allows you to acquire valuable experience while getting introduced to your new job firsthand. If you enjoy it, it will be that much easier to make the transition. Starting a new career or in a different area of work without experience will take time and probably won't be easy. But if you follow these strategies, it definitely is possible. Hope you find this useful.